Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am back with the back to school sale haul that I just purchased, and I'm very excited to open this. It has been 10 months, I just looked up when my last upload was, and it's been quite a hiatus, but for good reason. I was pregnant and we just had our baby. Today she is 8 weeks old. I'll insert a little picture right here. We are not sharing her face pretty much at all on social media, so I'll just put, a cute one right here. But yes, it has been quite a journey, and she is worth every single second of it. It has just been amazing. So I'm trying to get back on here, uploading relatively regularly. So we'll see how much I keep up with that, but I would love to start sharing on here more with y'all. I just I got to try and find some kind of rhythm, especially when my husband goes back to work soon. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this. This was the back to school sale. There was 40% off of all the items, or not all the items, but in the category, you could go to the back to school sale, and there was a lot of stuff available for 40% off. Then I think there was like some kind of members code for people that were VIP members. You get like another 15% off. So once it was all said and done, I put all of my 15 items in the cart, and it was going to take off like $22 or $23. But instead, I opted to take that code off and then just use my members' points to get $25 off. So it ended up being right at like $200 for these 15 items. So it's not bad, especially since I haven't ordered anything for a while. So anyways, let's try and open this. I really like to just blindly pull stuff out, but it's quite noisy, so I'm gonna like pull everything out and just put it in front of me. So I like how everything's upside down, so I didn't actually like really see anything. But all right, this is really noisy also, so let me go ahead and pull this out. I don't remember what this was called, but it came with a planner sleeve, so now I have 3 of these. But they're really fun to use. Let's see what came in here. If I'm not mistaken, this was like a Squad Girls bundle thing. So here is the washi. That's really cute. More fun, more laughter. That's cute. And all the girls. The girls are going to be hard to use because you can only really use those specifically in that spread, unless I'm going to do like a, make your own page kind of thing. But these daisies are super cute. It's very pastel too, so let's see how much I actually end up using it. Here are, wow, these are really thick. Like there's a lot of these, which is not normally what you get. Wow. They're just so much larger than any of the other sticky notes we used to get. And of course, 2 of these bookmarks. I love these. I love using these bookmarks. Then this sticker book. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I got a new Squad Girls sticker book. I like these colors. There's me. Ooh, these are cute. So fun. Now, the rest is all sticker books. So, Also, I think this is my first sticker book that has the new design. So this one is Sunshine Vibes. I gotta hurry up and use this book before summer is over. Oh, so cute. I like all the daisies, I think that flower is. I don't know. These. It might be daisies, who knows. That's fun. Guys, this is really exciting. This one is a collab, Bright Travels. Ooh. I also did not look in any of these books before I got them. Like, I didn't look on the website. I just put them in by the titles. I just was like, ooh, Bright Travels? Okay. Some Sunshine Vibes? Okay. Miss Maker? Okay. Oh, look at this bathing suit. This watermelon. So cute. Summer bucket list. Love all the quotes. Perfect. That's similar to the traveling one. Has a lot of travel stuff in it. 3-day weekend. Love that. Then seasonal whimsy. Oh, of course I had to get seasonal. Ooh, look. Oh my gosh, look at that cat on a pillow. It's almost fall, y'all. Oh my gosh. And I can't wait because our daughter will be like 4 or 5 months during fall, which is like perfect. I can't wait to like carve out a pumpkin and put her inside of it and take a picture. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this summer stuff. The grapefruit. Oh my gosh. Here's spring. And then there's Christmas, winter. So cute. Here's another seasonal, but I think this one is with Squad Girls. So it's called Love Every Season. Oh my gosh. These quotes. This is spring. Very pastel. Here's winter. Look at this wheel. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, all snuggled up. And then summer. Oh my gosh. Oh, so perfect. And this is your year. I think this one is another seasonal with Squad Girls. Squad Girls is like an OG, us that have been around since the beginning with Happy Planner. It's like we've been dying to have more Squad Girls stuff. Love it. Lots of boxes in that one. I Heart Stickers. I had no idea what this one was going to be about, but I figured it would be fun. Just really, really bright. Look at this. I just want all the stickers. Look at that. It's like Valentine's Day kind of thing. Here's retro. Here's fruit. Here's plants. Oh, it's like themes. There's really bright color sticker stuff. Ooh, oh my, what is this page? Look at that tiny spread. What in the world? This is adorable. All right, here's the new Miss Maker. I have yet to look at it at all. What is this? What? This page is not printed on. I'm gonna have to email them about that. I'm gonna have to go and look on the website what page this is supposed to, what it's supposed to look like. What in the world? That's crazy. Look at that ribbon. So cute. I also saw, oh, look at these pen pouches. I saw after I placed the order that there was another one, more like icons and stuff, so I missed out on that. But I'll get it another time. And here is Color Story Florals. So I love flowers. And they all are like themed. Oh, I love the yellow and green. Needs like lemons in there or something. A lot of this is giving me like homebody vibes, but I like how they're all colored the same in each section. Then I got one, it's not a mega book. I think it's just a large. This is the same as the Love Every Season, but it's just like really huge ones. This took the place of the Mambi sticks that used to exist. They still have them, I believe. They're just, wow, this is a huge box. They just don't create more, you know what I'm saying? Like new ones. Oh, what the heck. It's so cute. This one was rainbow. I was like, rainbow, okay. So this is very functional. We used, one of the first 5 books ever was a rainbow one. I think it was 1069 was the number on it. Let me go and pull it out for you. No, it's this one. The 1486. Yeah, that is an OG. One of the first ever books. See, from 2016. Here is All the Things. I saw this one. I figured it would be like lots of icons and stuff. Oh, delivery. I can put that on for today. Vegetables. Love the coffee, of course. There's some weather. Yeah, this is super functional. Look at those planners and the washi tape. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at that sushi. What the heck? Fun illustrations. I also pictured as icons and stuff. It's looking very functional. Lots of boxes, but then also cute. Just a bunch of hot sauce? What in the world? What in the world? Eat well, travel often. Love the lemons. Oh, yay! One of my favorite spreads of all time is with the lemons from one of the seasonal books from a long time ago. All right, last one is I got the mini of the spread Some Happy. I did not see a classic size, so I just got the mini. Aww. I actually really like these mini boxes. You can like really layer them without taking up a lot of space. Ooh. Super fun colors. I like the black that's like mixed in there. So cool. All right, so I got 15 sticker books. I want to know what y'all think of the new design of the books. I know I'm a little bit behind, but I did see when they were first changed. Look at that. They all look the same when they're layered like that. So this is the only one that is like the original, where it used to just be the bar on top. I do like the new, what is this? You know, like the brand, they changed the font. I like it. So anyways, this is all of my stuff. I'm really, really happy with it all. Now I got to reorganize my books and figure out where I can put my new ones. I need a new system because I'm running out of space. I have been catching up on my After the Pen spreads on my Instagram. If you guys follow me over there, it's also Simply Megan Plans. But I'm just trying to get caught up with those, and then I can start moving forward and getting back into the groove of like planning on Sundays and doing my, you know, plan as you go and things like that. So, you know, I'm not going to not fill them in because I still like to use my planner as like a memory keepsake. So I do want it to at least still be filled in. And of course, I have a lot of stickers, so I want to use them. So just because I haven't been posting here on YouTube does not mean that I haven't been planning, because believe me, I definitely still plan. I cannot keep my head on straight if I do not. So this is the planner that I got for the year of 2023, and I've been doing every single week. Wow, I never put my name in the front. Look at that. I've been keeping up with all the weeks, but I have not done any of my monthly spreads. So that's something I want to get back into, because those are my favorite of all time. I love the monthly view. So anyways, enough gabbing on. Let me know what you guys think and which of these books you guys have. And maybe let me know which book I missed out on, because I know there was a lot up there. So anyways, I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye, guys.